Hi, Michael Richichi, owner of Sunset Ridge Exteriors. And outside, it's a beautiful warm day and everyone's thinking about decks. I thought this would be a great opportunity to go through some of the different options for decks. One of the first things we have is pressure-treated lumber. I'm not a big fan of pressure-treated lumber because it actually is injected with a lot of chemicals, including copper and arsenic, that will leach out over time, and that's when you see those green marks. It'll take the stain, but because of the chemicals, it'll push the stain and the paint back off of it. Definitely the cheapest option we have, but it requires the most maintenance. Also tends to dry out and crack over time. Second option is cedar. We like cedar because it's a natural material designed for outside. It will take and hold the stain very well and generally last 5 to 7 years in between staining. It's a good mid-range option, smells really good, and will not crack or splinter nearly as much as the pressure treated. Our final option is our composite. Obviously the Cadillac in the market, more expensive than wood floors in the house, but it carries a 25-year warranty, zero maintenance. So if you're looking to just hang out back and sit, this is the product for you. As always, give us a call. We'll be glad to come out and do a free estimate for you. And if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and you will be notified of any additional videos that we do.